first of all, you have to know about aloe vera. What is that aloe vera? It is a what? Medicinal plant. People are used as a what? Medicinal plant. Isn't it?
Yes.
So, what is the local name of that aloe vera? Do you know? What is the local name? In Assamese, what is called? It is salpur. Okay? The local name of the aloe vera. In Assamese, it is called what? Salpur. Is clear? And what is the scientific name? Scientific name is what? Alobardensis Miller. Okay, what is the scientific name is? Alobardensis Miller. Is clear? And it's belong to which family? It's belong to Aspidolaceae family. Okay, it's a botanical name. When you study in the college, when you study BSc, you will learn about the plants. If you are going to study, that is what? Botany. Okay, the botanical gardens. When you study about the plants, then you will get all the scientific name of the plants. Is clear? What is the scientific name? Scientific name is what? Alobardensis Miller. Is clear? So, why that aloe vera is we are used for as a medicinal plant? Okay? So, it is the aloe vera is a plant that traditional culture have used for thousands of years to remedy their what? For skin disease. Okay? And for digestion, okay, and also for wounds, they are using as a remedies. They are remedies. Is clear? So, the few lines I like to say about the aloe vera. You concentrate nicely. Okay? The few lines I would like to tell about the aloe vera plants. Okay? So, aloe vera plant is derived. That is originate from where? From Arabian Sea. Have you seen the map? Arabian Sea is where it is there? It is, the sea is between the India and the Africa. India and Africa का बीच में जो Arabian Sea मिलता है ना? Have you seen? So from there, that aloe vera is originated. Is clear? So it is an evergreen plants and perennial plants. Evergreens. Okay? And a perennial plant, that means long lasting plants. Is clear? So it has an anti-inflammatory features that can help to cure the burns. Okay? That helps in to cure the burns. Because they have what? Anti-inflammatory feature is there with that aloe vera that can help to cure the burns. Is clear? And aloe vera is, they consist of 96% of waters. Okay? They have 96% of waters made of aloe vera. Is clear? And it can be, what is that? And it has a what? What feature is there? It has a highly rich in antioxidant. इसका क्या होता है? Antioxidant होता है. इसका they have highly rich what? Antioxidant. Highly rich what? Antioxidant. Is clear? And also it have been treating what? Egg. Egg is what? It is a disease. Is clear? So they can treating the disease like egg. Is clear?